Today, artificial intelligence is no longer just something developers experiment with. It is becoming part of everyday business workflows. But here is the real question. How do you actually build useful AI copilots for your organization without writing complex code? That is exactly what Microsoft Copilot Studio is designed for. And there is a very practical learning resource that explains this step by step. The book Microsoft Copilot Studio Step by Step, Customizing Copilot and Creating Agents by Lisa Crosby. This book focuses on helping professionals understand how to design, build, and deploy AI agents using Microsoft's low-code Copilot Studio platform. Instead of just explaining theory, it walks through real scenarios showing how organizations can automate workflows, connect AI to business data, and extend Microsoft 365 Copilot with custom intelligence. One of the biggest advantages of Copilot Studio is that it allows people who are not full-time developers to create powerful AI assistants. For example, inside this book you learn how to design conversational AI agents using natural language tools, how to connect agents to company knowledge sources, how to automate business workflows using triggers and connectors, and even how to publish agents across platforms like Microsoft Teams, websites, and Microsoft 365 Copilot itself. Another interesting area the book covers is multi-agent orchestration. That means building specialized agents that work together, almost like digital teammates, each handling a different business task. This is especially useful for companies trying to scale internal support systems, customer engagement workflows, or document-driven automation processes. The book also explains how to monitor agent performance using built-in analytics so you can continuously improve the user experience after deployment. Informant. So instead of treating AI as something experimental, this guide helps you turn Copilot Studio into a practical business tool. Whether you are an IT professional, consultant, automation specialist, or someone exploring Microsoft's AI ecosystem, this kind of structured step-by-step learning makes adoption much easier. If you are planning to work with Microsoft Copilot Studio, or simply want to understand how organizations are building custom AI agents today, this book is definitely worth exploring. You can check the book from the link below and see how it fits into your learning path.